Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping in. So one of my recent hobbies has been trying out Lego, and I must say, I'm definitely getting addicted to it. So this is a recent piece that I bought. It's Santa's delivery truck, 224 pieces. It took about an hour to complete tonight. Comes with a Christmas tree, some presents. You get a little elf that comes along, and I will take you through the piece now. On the Lego website for $17. However, Walmart does carry it at $25. I will say it's definitely worth the money for the piece. And without further ado, ta-da! I must say the detail on this piece is quite incredible. Right here, we have the elf's little shovel. We've got a lantern, which moves. These decals you have to put on yourself. At the back here, I thought this was a nice touch. You have a movable toy winder. We got some more tools on the side here. Another nice piece is this letter. The front detail is also very nice. You have a small Lego man as your hood ornament, and the lights at the front. I know for many of these pieces you can get light kits. And on top there is a nice Christmas tree. Another nice feature is the roof can be taken off. When the roof is off, the back can be flipped down and the side can be opened, exposing the presents inside. You can also see the workshop decals. So that's another nice feature of this piece. My overall goal is to make a Christmas winter village. So as I see these pieces come available, I will be buying them. Let me know if this review was at all helpful to you. Enjoy your building. We'll see you on the next one.